Guys, I'm here to do a quick tutorial today on how to do bulk scheduling and bulk videos with your own script in Syllabi. So if you haven't been here before, I'm Akila Thompkins-Robinson. This is Girl Get Visible, and I'm helping you to find the tech solutions that enable your marketing strategy. So let's talk about Syllabi and what I've been doing with Syllabi and some Faceless videos. So Syllabi is one of the many AI generating Faceless videos where you can upload a script and get a video. It doesn't have to be faceless, but that's what we do. So I'm focusing on faceless videos, and it creates a pretty nice AI video. Let me go to some of my previous videos so you can see what we've been able to do with some of our syllabi videos.
3 dinners I prepped.
So this is one that I actually liked.
Alfredo and kept the sauce separate so everyone could decide how much they wanted.
And then sometimes with these, I add some movement. I'll like add motion to the hands and stuff like that. But these videos I did in bulk and they all went out all scheduled and did really well in terms of traffic in what they did the first 10 of my series. And I'll talk about that in a minute as well. So the way and the reason why I really like Syllabi is because, like I said, you can do this really nice bulk video creation and none of the other tools get that. So once you get your style down, once you kind of know if you're doing a series like I usually do, or you know what kind of scripts, you just want to now jump into it and start doing it, right? Start getting it done. And being able to do it in bulk has been such a game changer because now that we know what we want to do in our style, we're just churning them out like this, right? And so I do most of my scripts in ChatGPT, and I'll do 10, sometimes even 15 scripts at a time for this particular channel and bring them over here into Syllabi using their bulk creation and create my videos that way. So let me show you how this works. You can actually have them write the scripts. Their scripts are 1 credit per script. And so that alone is a reason for me not to use their scripts, but you can still do it if you want to. If you don't have a ChatGPT or Claude or something like that, I do mine in ChatGPT. I actually have a GPT for writing these type of recipe videos. I'll drop that down in the description if you want to check out my custom GPT on that. And so I do all my video, all my descriptions, all my things in advance, and then I'll come over here to where it says bulk upload. They already give you a template, and the template is super simple. It's just what is it, video title and script, only 2 things. That's all you need. You don't need a lot of extras. And I come in here, I'll choose the file. I've already been working on this earlier today, so I got one ready for us. And within not even a full second, right, we've got 10 videos loaded from my file that are ready to go. Then I scroll down and now I'm able to make some decisions here, right? So I can have it, I already have some of my channels loaded, so I can pick which channels it's going to go to. Then I can choose the duration. So now this one's a little bit funny. I found this out the hard way myself that you have to, when you have duration, which means how many days do you want this bulk to run, and then you have the post per day, it must add up to the total number of videos. So you see here where I have the CSV file contains 10, but right now I only have enough for, well, I'm only scheduling out one. So if I want for 2 days, one a day, that's literally only 2 posts. And so it won't let me even move forward because there's too many posts available that are there. So I have to do it in some multiples of 10, which is what I have. So I can do for 10 days, make that a little bit shorter. I think the max you could do is up to 30 days, but I can do 10 days, 1 post a day, and you see that error goes away. Or I could do 5 days, which is what I'm actually going to do, for 2 posts a day. Gotta move it all the way around there. The max is 5 posts you can do per day. For 2 posts a day, tell it what time, and usually it starts with whatever the next available date is and the times. And I, of course, usually go and I'll just put this as a PM post a little earlier because we don't want that late, right? A PM post and an AM post. This channel likes a little bit earlier in the AM. So I can set when those 1 and 2 videos are going to go. It's already highlighted the next few days of posts that it's going to do. Give me a little summary here. Then I'm going to click next. Now, this is where I start to pick out what the actual video looks like. So for this video, I like to use the cinematic realism, and I have not figured out font that I love here because I don't like any of them, but it's there, so I make sure it's there. This is a tricky one. For some reason, it defaults to landscape. Make sure you make it on portrait because a lot of people waste a lot of credits just by missing that little step. I don't have any consistent characters, so I'm not even gonna worry about those. And then down here, this is another part I really like, is that I can tweak the script. Although I uploaded them, maybe I didn't read them all the way, or maybe I decide I want to do something different, or something's trending, or I'm going to throw that in there. I can come in here now and change each of the scripts before the video generation. Also, if I had Syllabi create my scripts for me, it just would have already had them here, and I can then go in and change the scripts. When I change the scripts, if I change their scripts, if I want them to regenerate, there will be a cost of credits, right? And if I just copy and paste something or I already like did it in ChatGPT, it won't make any change, it won't do anything. So once we're done, it's going to give me an estimate of how many credits this bulk is going to take. And I'm just going to say generate video because I know these are all good. These are very short videos, so I'm not really stressed about them. And then it takes a couple of minutes. I go off and do something else, and then I come back. When I come back, and I'll go into the first one I did for this, but when I come back, I can go into the folder of all of my different bulks. So you see here, I did this bulk, like I said, last week. And I can go into each video. Now, oh, that's actually the one I'm doing now. So this is the one I did last week. So they're already completed. You can see the other ones we're still rendering. So I can go in here and I can edit the videos if I still wanted to. I generally don't because the point of doing this is to get it done and get it out quickly. I'll go in and I'll add some captions and all the things. You can publish from right here. Just say publish and have the things here already set, or you can just let it go. I literally just let it go, like the song says, right? So I just let it go and let it move on. I do check the videos real quick just to make sure they're exactly what I want. But that's it. That's all I had to do. And I'm done. I'm bulk created everything. And for the next 5 days, I don't need to touch this channel because this channel is going to get regular content every single day, thanks to the bulk scheduling here in Syllabi. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you want a link to Syllabi, just say, give me a link in the comments and I will make sure that you get the link so that you can grab Syllabi for yourself.